In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make image clickable in Squarespace. This is a simple way to turn any image into a button that takes visitors exactly where you want them to go. Whether that's another page, a downloadable file, an email draft, or a phone call on mobile devices. Start by opening your Squarespace website and entering edit mode. You'll see your page just as it appears to visitors, but with editing controls visible. Navigate to the section that contains the image you want to make clickable. When you found it, double-click the image to open its editing panel. This brings up a menu with options specific to that image, so you can adjust settings without affecting anything else on the page. In the image panel, look for the option labeled Attach Link. Click that, and you'll see several linking choices. Choose the type that fits your goal. If you want the image to send people to a web page, select the URL option and paste the full web address. If your goal is to let visitors download something, like a PDF, brochure, or image, pick the file option and upload the file you want people to receive. If you'd like the image to launch an email draft, select Email and enter your email address. And if you want the image to start a phone call on compatible devices, choose Phone and enter the number in a standard format. After selecting the function, fill in the required field for that choice. Double-check spelling and formatting to avoid broken links. Make sure web addresses include the proper prefix, and confirm the file you upload is the final version you want to share. When you're done, apply your changes in the panel. From here on, the image becomes an active link. To confirm everything is working, use the preview option and click the image as a visitor would. If it opens the right page, starts the download, prepares an email, or initiates a call, you're all set. If anything doesn't behave as expected, return to the image settings and verify the link type and details. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've turned a simple image into an interactive element that guides your audience, streamlines downloads, makes contacting you easier, and improves the overall user experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a more engaging Squarespace site.